Hi MasterStudy users. We have great news for you. We have just released a new plugin for MasterStudy that lets you import users directly to courses and export users' data along with course data. Let me first show how to import instructor on your MasterstudyLMS site. First, install and activate the MasterStudy User Importer and Exporter plugin on your WordPress site. Once installed, go to MSLMS menu. You will find the User Import and Export sub-menu. For importing users, download the CSV template on your computer and open it in Excel. The template has easy-to-fill various columns with relevant headers. First thing to note is that the user ID is required only when you want to update existing student data. For fresh instructor data import, you do not need to fill the user ID column. Secondly, there are 3 required fields for fresh user imports. They are username, email ID, and role. For updating the existing, there are 4 required fields: user ID, username, email ID, and role. You need to fill the role column with word instructor. Next, fill in the first and last names of the users. Next to note is that columns like degree, expertise, submission date, answer date, and message are required only for instructor role. So, when importing students, leave these 5 columns blank. Now, you can set a password by filling this column. Or you can send a password reset link by writing yes in this column. Course ID should be filled in which instructor is being enrolled. Next, date of enrollment, course progress, completed lesson ID, and reset progress columns are related to student, so, when importing instructor, leave these 5 columns blank. You can enter users' additional fields, like address, organization, contact number, and order by, etc. Now, save your template as CSV format. Next, go to your WordPress site and import your template. That's it. You have successfully created users on your site. All users are successfully assigned to the courses. Now, let us talk about exporting user data, which is as easy as pushing this link. Please note that the data of users are exported in same CSV template that is used for import. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel for tutorials on MasterStudy.